Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We are grateful to have you here. We do post weekly videos on woodwork projects and home decor DIYs. If you're interested in any of these areas, please stay with us. On this week's project, we will be making kitchen cabinets. For this project, we will need 2 sheets of MDF measuring 4 by 8 feet. We started off the project by trimming the boards into a manageable size on the circular saw. We then split the 4 by 4 feet pieces into 30 by 12 inch pieces on the table saw. We then measured 4 24 by 12 inch panels and cut them out on the meter saw. On the edges of the MDF panels, we applied contour adhesive and fixed the lipping which was in the color of the MDF board. We then let them dry for a few minutes. Next, to attach the bottom, top and the side panels together. We first drilled pilot holes and then used 2-inch screws to hold the pieces in place. We repeated the same process for the other 2 cabinets. Once our structure was up, we went ahead to cut the front doors and the shelves on the table saw. We then dry fitted the doors, and once we had a perfect fit, we went ahead and applied glue so as to fix the lipping on the door edges. We let it dry for some minutes as this will make the bond stronger. We then went in with a smooth file to cut off the excess lipping. On one end of the cabinet door, we measured less than a quarter inch and used a Forstner bead to create a hole in which we will need to fit the malfa hinges. We applied the same process for all the doors. To attach all the malfa hinges on the door, we used a 1/2 inch screws. On the center panel, we did attach a piece of MDF to help in attaching the malfa hinge and also create some space for opening the center door. After touching all the doors, we cross-checked to ensure they were opening and closing perfectly. For the ones that didn't, we fine-tuned the malfa hinges until they were perfectly functioning. Next, we attach the handles. On the drill, we attached a 3mm bit for the pilot holes. Off the camera, we did attach 2 to 3 inch wide board at the back, which will help us in mounting the cabinets on the wall. To fix the cabinets on the wall, we removed the doors first, then used 3-inch steel nails to hold them in place. Then put the doors back in place and it was all done. That's it guys for this week's video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our videos each time we upload them. Thank you for clicking into Crafts by Doti. We'll see you on our next one.